Activation lock secures Apple devices. If locked to owner error occurs on iOS 15 Plus, iPhone remains linked to iCloud and requires correct login credentials to activate. This video explains the issue and offers clever fixes. How to bypass iPhone locked to owner with iPhone passcode. You'll need to have your iPhone passcode readily available. If you don't have it, it's advisable to contact the previous owner and ask for details. By doing so, you can remove the activation code using their device's passcode. How to unlock iPhone locked to owner using IMEI. Contact the SIM card provider. Check if the iPhone is blacklisted by finding your IMEI number and contacting your carrier with the number to verify. If the locked iPhone is not on that list, please complete the unlocking of the phone. How to remove iPhone locked to owner by DNS bypass. If your iPhone has outdated OS version, you may utilize the DNS method to unlock it. This technique deceives your iPhone into believing it has been unlocked by taking advantage of a loophole in the Wi-Fi DNS setting. How to get past iPhone locked to owner via iCloud. If unable to contact previous owner or they refuse iCloud details, ask them to remove device remotely, erases everything and removes activation lock. How to bypass iPhone locked to owner with Apple support. Assuming you still cannot remove the lock from your iPhone without the previous owner, one possible solution is to reach out to Apple support. While this may not be simple, it could be done if you have the required documents,